Well, good morning, David. All right, here is your 451S. It's resting in my 48 2A. Testing and adjustment have gone well. Look down inside, you can see there's nothing down in there extra. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Look down inside again. This is nice and dry. No problem. Everything's set right. Alright. This was fun working with this one. Alright. Remember, I'm at 600 feet above sea level. I've got the idle RPM set at about 660. Fuel pressure, 2.75. Look at that vacuum. 23 and a half. At 6,000 feet, you should be looking at about 18 and a half, which is right up in here. Okay. And there's my dwell at 42. Let's go ahead and pull her through a few times. I'm going to include an instruction tab on how to set this needle. All right? I think you'll be happy with it. I know I am. Thank you.